Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: registered business, active bank account, and required tax ID. Open the Google Pay business app and sign in with your business email. Grant permissions to access contacts and payments. Once inside, tap Add Bank Account, choose your bank, and complete micro deposit or OTP verification so Google Pay links to your merchant account. Make sure to enable UPI and payout settings. This allows instant settlements. Now you're set to configure payment options and receipts. Now you configure how payments flow. From settings, choose payment methods. Enable UPI, debit/credit cards, and popular wallets. Connect a POS or card reader if you use one. Configure receipts. Add business name, GST, tax rates, and optional tipping. Once done, set settlement preferences: automatic daily transfer, minimum threshold, or manual release, so cash flow matches bookkeeping. Make sure webhooks or CSV exports are enabled for accounting software. This keeps books reconciled and reduces end-of-month reconciliation work. Finish by running a live test. Process a small sale and confirm the buyer receives a receipt, and that funds show in your Google Pay merchant ledger. Once confirmed, enable notifications for payments and settlements so you catch failed transfers fast. For discrepancies, reconcile statements against POS and export CSV to accounting. If issues occur, recheck bank link and resubmit KYC documents or OTP verification. This fixes most blockages. Keep support contact ready if settlements still fail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.